do the.
He wasn't on mine either, but
Aaron
don't know.
New, Darrian, he's the inmate when come.
Yeah, he was on the document. He's on my document.
Yeah, I see he's on, yeah, his offer, failed to display and dismissed the no insurance misdemeanor. But I think,
Okay.
yeah, civil infractions.
3-2.
Are the civil infractions involved?
I think.
Oh, but you might have to hold off for that. I'll let you know. Let me do these and then I'll let you know.
Okay.
36th District Court is now back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there will be no in and out of the camera, no eating, talking, drinking, smoking, driving, listening to any electronic devices. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Once again, good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. This is the People versus Maria Rodriguez, ticket number X 4131019, no operators license / multiple ops, no ops. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Ms. Villarreal.
Good morning, Your Honor. Evelyn Villarreal, State Certified Court Interpreter.
Raise your right hand.
Good morning, Your Honor. Bob Zaranick for Mr. Rodriguez. Oh, I'm sorry, Judge.
That's okay. Do you swear or affirm to interpret English to Spanish and Spanish to English to the best of your ability?
Yes, I do, Your Honor.
Can you interpret calling the case, Ms. Villarreal?
Sí, se llama el caso de la ciudad versus María Santos Rodríguez, número de caso SX 4131091.
Bob Zaranick for Miss Rodriguez, Your Honor.
Y soy Bob Zaranick, el abogado representando a la señora Rodríguez, su señoría.
There is an offer, Your Honor, plead to a reduced charge of failure to display, and she'd like to avail herself of that offer.
Tenemos una oferta de la fiscalía, su señoría. Le han ofrecido a ella que se declare culpable a falta de haber mostrado una licencia. Y ella quiere aprovecharse de ese acuerdo de culpabilidad.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Rodriguez.
Levante la mano derecha, señora Rodríguez.
She's muted. She's muted.
Ujú. Levante la mano derecha, señora Rodríguez.
¿Sí lo puede repetir?
Yes, could you repeat what you said?
Can you raise your right hand, please?
¿Puede usted levantar la mano derecha, por favor?
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
¿Jura usted o declara solemnemente que va a decir la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad?
Sí.
Yes.
Put your hand down.
Ya puede bajar la mano.
You've had an opportunity to speak to the attorney, Mr. Zaranick, in private about your case and your rights.
Usted tuvo la oportunidad de hablar con el abogado Zaranick privadamente para hablar del caso y de sus derechos.
Sí.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
¿Y alguien a usted la ha amenazado, la ha forzado o le ha prometido algo de valor para que usted se declare culpable hoy?
No.
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
¿Usted se está declarando culpable de su propia voluntad?
Sí.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
¿Y se está declarando usted culpable porque de hecho es culpable?
Sí.
Yes.
And knowing that you're pleading guilty, you understand that you're waiving your right to trial.
Y reconociendo que se está declarando culpable, usted está renunciando su derecho de tener un juicio.
Sí.
Yes.
And knowing that you were waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Y reconociendo que usted está renunciando su derecho de un juicio, usted aún quiere continuar con su declaración de culpable?
Sí,
Yes.
Direct your attention to October 25th, 2022 at 5:15 a.m.
Así que quiero ahora llamarle la atención a la fecha del 25 de octubre del 2022 a las 5:15 de la madrugada.
On that date and time, were you at or near I-75 and Green Street in the city of Detroit?
Y ese día, en ese momento, se encontraba usted en el área de las calles Green y la autopista 75.
sí,
Yes.
Were you driving a 2010 Nissan vehicle?
¿Iba usted manejando un vehículo marca Nissan del 2010?
sí,
Yes.
And were you driving with no operator's license?
¿Y estaba usted manejando sin tener licencia de conducir?
sí,
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Zaranek?
Es con eso basta,
Satisfied.
señor Zaranek.
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Quedo satisfecho, su señoría.
All right, the court is also satisfied with the factual basis will amend the count to fail to display.
Así que la corte también queda satisfecha y con que hay una base para la declaración, vamos a modificar el cargo original a falta de haber mostrado una licencia.
We'll proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine.
Vamos a proceder a imponer la sentencia. La multa es $200.
ok,
Okay.
Can you have that fine paid by April 5th?
Si le damos hasta el 5 de abril, ¿puede usted alcanzar a pagar esa multa?
sí,
Yes.
Do you have any questions?
¿Y tiene usted alguna pregunta?
no,
No.
Okay, so you're all set. Good luck to you.
Así que está todo ya listo y buena suerte usted.
muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.
All right, de nada. Good-
You're welcome.
Thank you, Mr. Little.
You're very welcome, Your Honor. Have a very good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Corporal Bennett, we'll do Ms. Ragland.
Que corten el-
This is the People versus Janice Ragland, ticket number SP 941119, count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license on a person, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number SP 889007, count 1, drove while license not valid or proper license, count 2, improper plate. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Corporal Bennett.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning. Corporal Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Bob Zaranek for Miss Ragland. Please state your name, ma'am.
Janice Ragland.
So Judge, on the two matters that Officer Bennett is here on, the offer is to plead to the improper plates and dismiss the other count. And on the two matters that Officer Schultz is scheduled for trial, I believe he has not appeared. We asked for a dismissal on those two matters.
All right, the court will dismiss those matters ending in 119 without prejudice as the officer is failed to appear. Does your client wish to avail herself to the offer of improper place, Mr. Zaranek?
Yes, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Ragland. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Zaranek in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value? Okay, sorry about that.
Okay,
Okay, has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
yes,
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea.
yes,
Can I direct your attention to the date of June 21st, 2018 at 2:15 p.m. on that date and time where you at or near Plymouth and St. Mary's in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2008 Dodge vehicle?
yes,
Did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
yes,
You're satisfied, Mr. Zaranick?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Court also satisfied the factual basis. Will you stipulate the proper cause as to count one to be dismissed without prejudice?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Ms. Franklin. Can you have that fine paid by April 5th?
April 5th. Can I get 2 weeks after that?
One moment. May 5th?
Yes, I'll have it by then.
Okay. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
You're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
This is the people versus Karen Dillard. Ticket number SP 1249433, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Officer Walden.
Good morning, Your Honor. Officer Ryan Walden, Detroit Police Department.
Bob Zaranick for Ms. Dillard, Your Honor. Ms. Dillard, please state your name.
Karen A. Dillard.
Judge, there is an offer in this matter. Today's the day and time for trial. Officer Walden did appear. There is an offer in this matter to plead to an improper plate. Ms. Dillard would like to avail herself of that offer.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Dillard. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Zaranick, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
And you understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to September 20th, 2021 at 11:54 a.m. on that date and time where you at or near Jefferson and Bellevue in the city of Detroit.
Yes.
Were you driving a 2017 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
Did you not have insurance on that vehicle?
No.
You're satisfied, Mr. Zaranick?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to improper plates. Will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Ms. Dillard. Can you have that fine paid by April 5th?
Can I get it pushed back? Because I work for U of M and we only get paid once a month, and that's the last Friday of every month.
May 5th?
That's fine.
Any questions, ma'am?
No, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're all set. Good luck. All right, this is the people versus Tiffany Ray. Ticket number SP 1318030, count 1, driver's license never acquired. Good morning. Please state your names for the record, starting with Corporal Dudley.
Good morning, Your Honor. Corporal Dudley, badge number 5448 precinct.
Bob Zaranick for Ms. Ray, Your Honor. Can you please state your name, Ms. Ray?
Tiffany Ray.
Judge, today is the day and time set for trial. Officer Dudley did appear. However, we were going to ask for an adjournment for approximately a month, Judge. Ms. Ray has her driver's license appointment set up for about 2 weeks from now. So we're asking her for the possibility to get her test done and get that license mailed to her.
Corporal Dudley, do you have a position, sir?
No, ma'am, I don't have a problem with that.
Thanks, officer.
No
Or
problem.
corporal.
Corey Rutherford, would you please get into the camera?
Go, Mr. 86. Well, she need 2 weeks.
How much time does she need, Mr. Zaranick?
She probably needs about a month, Judge, because her test isn't for a couple weeks, and then they'd have to mail her, the hard copy of the license.
We'll do April 3rd.
Thank you.
At 9 o'clock.
You won't set it.
Are we setting for another bench trial? Oh, we'll set it for a pretrial.
All right. Ms. Ray, you have that date?
April 3rd, 9 o'clock. Yes, sir.
All right, just have your license handy when you sign on. You should be good to go.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Corporal Dudley. You're all
Yes,
set.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Have a good day.
You too. Give me one moment, please.
Ms. Ray, you all done. You said, Ms. Ray, you can leave.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
This is the People versus Corey Rutherford, ticket number SP 1397640, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Corey
Good
Rutherford.
morning, Your Honor. Bob Zaranick for Mr. Rutherford. Thanks, Mr. Rutherford. Today's the day and time set for a pretrial, Judge. Mr. Rutherford did show me a valid insurance policy that's currently in force with his name and a vehicle that he was driving that day. We didn't move for dismissal for valid documentation, Judge.
Okay, the court will dismiss these matters we'll dismiss this matter as Mr. Rutherford has provided valid documentation. Mr. Rutherford does have some, a couple of cases that are in warrant status, and I will call them because they are pretty old. Okay, so this is ticket number U 735-84611, count 1, loiter on public-private property trespassing. And then ticket number 0540263, count 1, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record, or you've already stated your name.
What?
All right, sorry, we disappeared.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so Mr. Did you guys get the whole case number? Did you hear that?
We heard the case numbers, Judge.
Okay, so these matters are from 2010 and 2011. Due to the age of these matters, Mr. Zaranick, are you moving to dismiss these matters?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
You stipulate your probable cause as to these as well.
We do.
Okay, so all matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck, sir.
You can leave, Mr. Rutherford.
All right, thank you.
Well,
This is the people versus Kevin Ray. Ticket number SP 138199, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Bob
Kevin
Zaranick for
Jarvis
Mr. Ray. Sorry, Mr. Ray, state your name. I'm sorry.
Sorry. Kevin Jarvis Ray.
Judge, today's the day and time for a pretrial and a no insurance ticket. Mr. Ray did show me a valid current insurance policy covering the vehicle that he was driving at the time in his name. We'd move for dismissal based on valid documentation. And we stip the probable cause.
All right, these matters dismissed without prejudice as Mr. Ray has provided valid documentation. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. All right, this is the people versus Damon Doucette. Ticket number SP 1399388, count one, driver's license never acquired. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Dr.
Bob Zaranick for the defendant, Your Honor. There is an offer in this matter. Judge should plead to a failure to display a reduced charge from no driver's license ever acquired. He'd like to avail himself of that offer.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Doucette. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
All right, you can put your hand down. You can hang up, Mr. Ray. You're all set.
Okay, sorry, Your Honor. I wasn't sure. Nobody told me anything.
You're fine.
Okay, you have a good day. Thank you.
You too, sir. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye. Mr. Doucette, you've had an opportunity to speak to Mr. Zaranick, your lawyer, in private about your case and your rights.
Yes, Judge.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes.
And you understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial.
Yes.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna direct your attention to October 27, 2022 at 8:03 p.m. On that date and time, were you at near 6 Mile in Shaftesbury in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Were you driving a 2014 Dodge vehicle?
Yes, ma'am.
And had you never acquired a driver's license?
Yes. Ma'am.
You're satisfied, Mr. Zaranick?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, court's also satisfied the factual basis will amend the count to fail to display. Proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Mr. Doucette. Can you have that fine paid by April 5th?
Yes, ma'am. Oh.
Question, sir? Any questions, Mr. Doucette?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Sorry about that.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm just, it's in my throat. I don't know where that came from.
Okay, well, you're all set, sir. Good luck to you.
All right, thank you. Mm.
Yeah, because we have let me do that, but we'll do that really quickly, and then Mr. Zaranick, can you please go talk to Mr. Duke? Did I tell you what the offer was? He said through 13.
No, not yet, Judge.
Okay, so his is how many cases does he have on the docket? Is it just two? Fail to display, dismiss the no insurance misdemeanor.
Okay.
All right, let me just do this one real quick. This is the people versus Sharon Depa, ticket number SP 1395179, count one, driving register or title vehicle, count two, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Bob Zaranick for the defendant. Please state your name, ma'am.
Sharon Lynn Deppa.
Judge, today's the day and time for a pretrial and a no registration, no insurance tickets. Miss Depa did show me a valid registration and valid insurance that currently in effect for the vehicle she was driving on the day of the incident. Both are in her name. We move to dismiss for valid documentation, stip to probable cause.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice as Ms. Depa has provided valid documentation. You are all set, Ms. Depa. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. You go to room number 13, Mr. Yeah, I'll put you.
All right.
Thank you.
I can leave now.
Yeah, and when you're done, can you just bring him out and we'll do his, yes, you can leave with them.
Thank you.